Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm thrilled to have you here. If you're passionate about handmade jewelry and love creating unique accessories, you're in the right place. Here I take the pink and white crystal beads, golden flower beads, round curl rhinestone and swoop beads. Add seed beads and pink crystal on both sides. Cross the flower bead. You can take any ethos style of your own choice. Add pink crystal on both sides. Have a look at the pattern. Now cross the round rhinestone. Minus one pink and white crystal on both sides and don't repeat the step to complete the bracelet of required length.
From hair clips to jewelry fine.
On this channel, I'll be sharing step-by-step tutorials on how to make beautiful handmade bracelets. From beginner-friendly designs to more intricate patterns, I'll cover it all.
Of beads on this crafting night. Oh, the beauty she creates with every stitch, every thread that waits. In her workshop, love resides, where art and craft abide. From the quiet she finds.
So grab your beads, wires, and strings, and let's get creative together.
Without a choice,
Here is the beautiful look of the bracelet.
work of art.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial.
Oh, the
Happy crafting, and I'll see you in the next video.